5 whys solving your hotel's problems. Have you ever had a problem in the hotel or your hotel department that refused to go away? No matter what you did, sooner or later it would return. Always remember, a reoccurring problem can often be a symptom of a deeper issue. Quick fixes may seem convenient, but they often solve only the surface issues. In this post I look at 5 whys, a simple but powerful tool for dealing with hotel problems once and for all. The 5 whys technique is most effective when the answers come from people who have hands-on experience of the problems being examined. It is remarkably simple. When a problem occurs, you solve it by asking why 5 times. Firstly, assemble a team together of people who are familiar with the detail of the problem and with the processes that you're trying to fix. So if the problem relates to restaurant service speed, you would include chefs, waiters, and someone to act as a neutral team leader. Begin by defining the problem if you can. Observe the problem in action. Discuss it with your team and write a brief, clear problem statement that you agree on. For example, the speed of food service is creating complaints. Perhaps write your statement on a whiteboard, leaving enough space around it to write your answers to the repeated question, why? Ask the first why. Ask the team why the problem is occurring. Asking why sounds simple, but answering it requires thought and intelligence. Search for answers that are based on facts that have actually happened. Your team members may come up with one obvious reason why, or several. Record the answers under or to the right of your problem statement as clear phrases rather than single words. For example, saying the kitchen team isn't preparing their food quickly enough is better than a vague "too busy." Ask why 4 more times, working along from the answers you generated from the first why. Ask 4 further whys in succession is incredibly difficult and thought-provoking. Try not to move on too quickly or jump to any conclusions. Know when to stop. You'll have revealed the nature of the root cause when asking why produces no more useful responses and you can go no further. Sometimes you may need to go on and ask why a few more than 5 times. The great thing about 5 whys is that it prompts you to go further than just assigning blame and to really ask why something is happening. Now that you've identified at least one true cause, you need to discuss and agree what countermeasures will prevent the problem from reoccurring in the future in the hotel. Monitor your measures. Keep a close watch on how effectively your countermeasures eliminate or minimize the initial problem within the hotel. The origin of the 5 whys is Sakichi Toyoda, one of the fathers of Japanese Industrial Revolution, developing the technique in the 1930s. He was an industrialist, inventor, and a founder of Toyota Industries. His method became popular in the 1970s, and Toyota still uses similar methods today. Why don't you give 5 whys a try to attempt to develop a solution for one of the problems in your department or hotel? Speak to you soon.